Hi guys, I'm Sonal and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the recipe of a fruit pie. So I'm using blueberries. Blueberries are in season and fortunately this year I could find affordable blueberries. Otherwise they're extremely expensive in India, and if you live in India and if you want to source it's big basket, and while I could find them I wanted to make a bunch of recipes using this. This is a pie made with blueberry as the base, and then I have a few other fruits just for decoration. Let's go ahead and see how I make this easy recipe. It's absolutely simple. So I'm going to line the pie dish at first, and this is how you do it. You take a square shaped paper, fold it into a conical shape, and then kind of get an idea of how much you need and cut it accordingly. And I'm going to set it aside, and here I have 1.5 cup of almonds which I have ground to a powder. It doesn't have to be very fine, and you can use almond flour for this. I'm adding 1/4 cup of butter here, and I'm going to mix this together, and that's going to form our pie crust. So it's done. I'm going to spread it in the pie dish on the parchment paper with my fingers, and I'm going to try to get some of it on the sides because it just tastes good and also looks good. So there we are, it's almost done. I'm trying to build the sides up a little bit, push from the thick parts into the thin parts, and we're going to bake it in the oven for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade or 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Here is 1.5 teaspoon of gelatin, and to which I have added 2 tablespoons of water, and we are going to set it aside for about 5 to 10 minutes to bloom. Here we have taken 2 cups of heavy cream or whipping cream, 1/4 cup of monk fruit sweetener, and we are mixing this together. I'm going to heat it up so that it warms up, and the monk fruit sweetener melts and mixes in the cream. Here I have 200 grams of blueberries, and I'm going to grind them really fine. In the meanwhile, I've added the gelatin to my warm cream, and here is our blueberry mixture which I ground, and I'm adding the cream to this because I don't like cooking my berries or fruits, but you could do it if you wanted. You could put it in the cream and sort of bring it to a boil if you like. To that I also added a pinch of salt, and I'm straining this because I don't want too much of the skin part of the blueberries, and you can do a better job than I did. Like, I let it overflow. That's fine, it's your kitchen, do whatever you want. So I poured it in the pie crust, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to set because it's got gelatin. It's going to beautifully set, and in the meanwhile, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell if you haven't already. If you do all of this, you're going to get to see all these wonderful keto recipes that I share every week. I'm chopping some fruits to decorate it. Here is the pie. I got it out a little early and I touched it, so you can see that the top of it is not as beautiful, but doesn't matter. We are going to cover it up with fruits. So I have some dragon fruit and strawberries. My dragon fruit isn't too sweet. I have decorated my pie and it looks beautiful. It tasted great. So here is our gorgeous pie. You can decorate this with anything that you want. Like, kiwis look really good on it. You can put a lot more blueberries to get the contrast out. I've taken a piece, put a piece of strawberry, and I'm also sprinkling some of the monk fruit sweetener. You can make a powder and sprinkle it because, as you know, fruits aren't that sweet. Even the strawberries can be slightly tart. It's such a simple recipe, and I try to keep all my recipes simple because those are the only recipes I would make if I was watching a video. And now I'm going to give it a try. Although it was keto, you will see my daughter enjoying it with me. So let's go ahead and cut it up. And that's my daughter. So if she doesn't like a keto dessert, she won't eat it. And you'll see her going back for another bite. And that says a lot. So guys, try it out. You're going to like it. You'll thank me for it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the recipe and will give it a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments section how it turned out for you. Also, if you click pictures, share them on my social media handles. All the information is in the description section. Also, I have shared some of my favorite gadgets and keto ingredients on my website, and there's a link to that too in the description, so check that out too. And thanks for watching. Bye.